Hey tubers!
Twitching Hill Earthship update 21. Sorry for the delay, 4 months, too long, but it's hard work.
Yeah, we're pretty slow
And
building
this is like
and
the
slow updating.
12th trying of this.
Take 13 actually.
Yeah, and happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mum.
We love you, Mum. We wish you were here, and hope you have an amazing day.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. You're amazing.
Okay,
Let's do it. Try again.
All right. So, get started. So, first thing, we have lights.
In the ensuite, in the guest bedroom.
Lights. We have an ensuite, which shower.
We got a beautiful shower in.
We have got sinks. Just we'll tell you about the cabinets in a bit.
Yeah.
And
Toilet system.
Yep, toilet system.
It flushes.
Yes.
Everything.
Oh,
It's a good one.
that's good. So, corridor. First thing, windows.
Yeah, so windows, we made our own double glazing, two panes of glass with a foam strip in between, silicone around the edges and argon gassed, and then just held in place with angle iron.
In copper.
Copper painted angle iron. Floor, so we tried to hire a concrete grinder polisher, but turns out
$1,000 a day.
too expensive, so we ended up finding a second-hand one, refurbished it, and learned how to polish a floor, and we're quite happy with it.
We did a beeswax as the final seal. We've done 2 already, and the 3rd one is going to be done, hence why the place is looking very empty.
Yeah.
So study, again, lights.
We got some lights on.
Our bedroom, again, this is a little workshop, so we are picking up as much free furniture as we possibly can, and I'm upcycling them. So free or cheap second-hand furniture.
Anything that we believe's got a bit of class. Try to anyway.
Work in progress.
Yeah, but there's lots of stuff out there. There's good stuff out
corridor.
there. So we found some offcuts of chipboard from a guy who had a little shop selling bits and pieces.
Yeah, it was just salvage of bits of everything, old site stuff. And then we did them in linseed, and we've insulated above the ceilings. It's not boarded out yet, but we might do later on. We just are getting to the point where we need to get into the property.
Yeah.
We need to live this life. Toggle switches.
No, toggle switch. Hallway lights. All our lights are now connected up. So these lampshades all the way through the place are most of them are second hand. There's 2 new ones. But we picked up some lampshades, resprayed them, and voila.
Main bathroom.
Right, main bathroom, go back.
Okay, main bathroom. My beautiful shower.
Yeah, 1 shower. The floor and the walls, same as in the ensuite, we had a 2-pack epoxy. It's the proper stuff for the job, and it's tanked out now. So there's no more needs to be done.
The whole rooms in both rooms are completely waterproof.
Yeah.
So they're complete wet rooms.
Yeah.
So again, we've got the sinks, but we
in the process of making them.
There's the concrete sinks that we were talking about before. At the moment, we've got temporary sinks, and when we've got more time, we'll
try and make some.
Yeah, we'll try and make them. The steampunk, we've got a bit of a thing for these kind of toilet systems, because it's how we met in 28 Botley.
Long story?
Long story. But anyway, we bought these.
And they look pretty funky.
Yeah, these were actually from a house that was being revamped, and we bought these before we even started the build.
Yeah.
So we're very happy to see them up.
Yeah.
So, and then the kitchen. Oh, we'll just show you above the doors, which the doors aren't made yet, but above the doors We have it's just
Little windows.
Shows you the mechanism, which was from the tip.
Yeah, so
A load of these mechanisms were thrown out, and we salvaged them, and they open up.
and they're going to regulate the airflow through the rooms once the doors are in.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. So kitchen to a lovely woman, Janet, in Perth, who decided to revamp her kitchen, get a new kitchen in, and this 17-year-old Italian kitchen. We went down, dismantled,
stripped it out of the house. Yep.
Kristen's made the frame to it, and the doors and the shelves.
Are the original, or
Yeah.
from the kitchen?
Are repainted, so stripped the doors and repainted to a yacht racing navy, and it's looking pretty good.
Stainless steel side we got from a yard called Brackovich's. It was a salvage yard. This is amazing. It's a full stainless steel side, and it's like 4 mil thick. It's like, I don't know where it was used in, but
Industrial.
someone paid a lot of money for it. We didn't.
Had huge problems with the tap. The initial tap that we got hold of didn't reach both sinks, but we found this little beauty, which is like a question mark.
Yeah.
We like that. The backsplash. Backsplash is copper. So the copper that we use to do the panels in the corridor, the offcuts, we've done the backsplash.
Made into the backsplash. This stainless was from the kitchen. We pulled out.
So was the backsplash. So was the extractor fan.
Yeah.
All from the kitchen, second-hand kitchen that we got.
I've got a new oven.
Yeah, my darling fridge freezer.
Yeah.
Always promised myself I'd get a new one. Got second-hand, $95.
Yeah. Happy days.
It's pre-loved.
And it works.
And we've got some beers. So come round. We've got 6 of them.
Yeah.
We can only have 6 people.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Be a small
the
party.
invite's there.
Yeah. Scullery.
Scullery, utility room again, Brackovich salvage yard, the stainless side, cupboard is from the kitchen.
So the kitchen that we pulled out was an Italian kitchen.
Yeah.
And it's so well made.
17 years old.
Yeah.
And
It's
apart from
near new
this is
condition.
the original doors, like the original colour, and the rest were that royal blue, which I changed to the navy. But still, second hand. Couldn't afford a new kitchen.
No way.
Second hand. Larder again from the kitchen.
Yeah.
So
We've got a hot water system in. Electric hot water. We'll talk about that in another episode.
Yeah.
We are fully off grid, but there is upsides to full electric hot water system. So yeah, I can't remember if we talked about that, but that's rainwater in. Rainwater, bore water. Yeah. And
so at the moment we're running on bore water because we haven't got a pump. We need to get sort out the pump for the water tank.
yeah,
But we've had like the longest summer this year.
next job.
So I don't know if we mentioned again the toggle switches. I have to mention these beautiful old-fashioned toggle switches.
Yes, loves the toggle switches.
Yeah, I've got a thing about the toggle switches and the lights in the kitchen and this area over here will be the lounge, but the lights.
We've got all our downlights in, all LED, lovely, lovely. And then the sliding door. Now we've got a bit of garden furniture in here. This is our
Yeah, don't look at the